Greetings, Sweetland Explorers. This is Jeff Weinberger coming at you here with a new tutorial. This might be the last one for this particular term. What I'd like to do today, though, is do a big, huge review. I'd like to go over all the songs that we've done this term and just make sure everybody's up to speed on the chords involved and the basic strums. So in order to not have this be a really long video, because we've done a lot of songs, I'm going to just go over the songs very quickly, just kind of a review, so that you can watch the individual videos for more in-depth. If you really want to dive deep into the song, you can watch the individual videos for each song. But this one's just a quick review for the end of the year. So what we have here on our list is Yellow Submarine. That was one of the first ones we did in class. We had All Together Now, which I was playing in the intro there, very easy. Let It Be, that's a kind of a recent one that I did from here at home. Hallelujah, we did both in class and I did it a little bit here in video form at home. We had Jambalaya, that's an easy one, that has a grand total of 2 chords. And then we had Three Little Birds, which was a fun, really happy kind of song that I do believe we did a couple of weeks ago. And then the very last one we did was Summer Over the Rainbow. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 songs. Let's get going. We have no time to waste. So 7 songs in however many minutes. So All Together Now being a fairly easy tune, let's start with that. And we have an F chord. We have a C7 chord. Pretty easy. We're going to have to check out another chord later in the song, but for now, F and C7 are what we're dealing with. So we had 1, 2, 3, 4. Can I have a little more? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I love you. So that strum, if you want to know, that's a fairly complicated strum, but let me show you the simplest. 1, 2, 3, 4. Can I have a little more? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I love you. That's really simplifying it so that the strum is all down and you don't have to worry about fancy rhythms. All right, the bridge of the song has a B flat chord in it. Do, do, do. In case you don't remember, B flat was 1, 2, 3, like that. 3rd fret up here, 2nd fret on the C string, and 1st fret on the E string. You just don't use your A string at all for that chord. So dun dun dun, back to F. Dun dun dun, dun dun dun. And then Look at Me is Look at Me, C7. So the bridge is the most complicated part of the song. The verses and the choruses are just F and C7. So that was All Together Now. If you remember Let It Be, C, G, A minor, F is the basic idea. Chorus uses those same chords but kind of in a different order. A minor, G, F, and C, and then whisper words of wisdom, let it be. So that's just to refresh your memory about the chords involved in Let It Be and the number of beats per chord. It's usually 2 beats. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. So that's pretty straight ahead. We had Hallelujah. If you remember, that was in 6/8. Remember that? We had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. I heard there was a secret chord, and that was C, A minor, F, G, back to C, and G. It goes like this: the 4th, the 5th, the F, the G, the minor fall, which is A minor, the major lift F, the baffled king is G, composing E7 to A minor. So again, that part was, it goes like this, the fourth, the fifth, the minor fall, the major lift, the baffled king composing hallelujah, and the chorus, hallelujah, it's an F chord, hallelujah, A minor, hallelujah is an F chord, hallelujah, C, G, C, A minor, C, A minor. That begins a new verse. So C, G, A minor, F, and a little tiny smattering of E7, and you have hallelujah. Let's go down our list again. Jambalaya, 2 chords, C and G7. Goodbye, Joe, me gotta go, me oh my oh. Me gotta pull the road down the bayou. My Yvonne, sweetest one, me oh my oh. Son of a gun, gonna have big fun on the bayou. Jambalaya, crawfish pie, filet gumbo, G7. For tonight I'm gonna see my share of me, oh, see. Pick guitar, fill fruit jar, and be gay, oh, there's G7. Son of a gun, gonna have big fun on the bayou. Jambalaya. Not much more to it. C and G7. 3 little birds. So don't worry about a thing. Every little thing's gonna be alright. That has don't worry, C chord, about a thing. Now we go to F. Every little thing gonna be alright. Back to C. Do 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 do. C. Don't worry about a thing. F chord. Every little thing gonna be alright. Now the verse. Rise up this morning, C. Woke with the rising sun, that's G. 3 little birds pitched by my doorstep, F. Singing melody, G. F. This is my message to you. Don't worry, C, about a thing. F. Every little thing gonna be alright. Do 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 do. So that one has only 4 chords in it. Very easy. Actually 3 chords. I don't think we even used A minor in that. So that's a 3 chord song. And finally, we have Somewhere Over the Rainbow. C, somewhere, E minor, over the rainbow, F, way up high, C, F, in a, back to C, land that I heard of, G, once in a lullaby, A minor, F, the Brudda Is version. The Judy Garland version from the movie is a little more tricky, as we said before, so this is the easier version. C, E minor, F, back to C, F and C once again, but now G, go to A minor, and go to F, and that's about all you need to know for Somewhere Over the Rainbow. Alright, Yellow Submarine, well, let's cut that one out for now. What I would like you to do is just review the video, the tutorial that I made for Yellow Submarine. You probably know ahead of time it involves a G chord, a C chord, an A minor chord, an E minor chord. Let me know if you need help putting it together. I'll help, but I'm going to make this video short, so I'm not going to include Yellow Submarine. I just made a last-minute decision to cut it out right now. But anyway, that's all the songs that we did this term. If you're looking forward to the summer and learning some more songs, here's what I suggest you do. I want you to do a little bit of research for a little summer assignment. Maybe look on the internet or ask your parents to help you with that. All the songs that have only 2 chords in them. Jambalaya is one of them. There's another called Oh My Darling Clementine. Only has 2 chords in it. Look for songs that have only 3 chords in them. There are lots and lots of them. And we saw that Three Little Birds is a song that only has 3 chords. There's a lot of 3-chord songs out there. Tons of them. And then look for 4-chord songs. And there's tons and tons and tons of 4-chord songs too. Like Let It Be and songs like that. So do a little research. Look at, if you're really into ukulele and you want to gather songs and make a nice big songbook for yourself, look for 2, 3, and 4-chord songs. Make a nice list of them and then start to learn them. Or ask me if you want to email me and ask me how a certain song goes that you might like that's a 2, 3, or 4-chord song. I would be glad to show it to you, even if we're not in school. All right, so Explorers, I had a great time teaching you this term. It's been a good spring. I know we've had many challenges, but we've made the best of it. And we're staying safe, we're staying healthy, we're trying to stay happy. We're doing the best we can. And I really appreciate you hanging in there and learning ukulele and songs with me and doing some math too on the side along with it. So math and music going together. I hope those activities that I put up for you were fun. And if you haven't had a chance to look at them, our garden song activity. Oh, that's another song that we have to add to our list. I almost forgot. There's so many songs that we learned that they didn't all make the list. But garden song is on the Google Classroom site if you want to review that one too. Any questions, any concerns, anything you want to learn that goes above and beyond these songs, let me know. I'd be glad to help you. Okay, Explorers, have an excellent summer, and I really hope to see you over the summer at some point. Bye-bye.